Hey guys, it's WADZ with the WADZ Up channel. Thanks for joining me again today. Well, today I'm bringing you out to Stave Lake. It's about an hour and a half, 2 hours out of North Vancouver, BC. This spot is a nice wide open spot, nice flats area. We're gonna rip around here on the FE 501. Trev's gonna join me on his KX 500, pure insanity, the 500. And he's also got his DRZ 400. So we're just gonna rip around some flats. We're gonna pull out the drone so you guys can come along and join us and just have some, I don't know, good old dirt biking fun. Come join us, let's get into it.
It might not be no crossroad, but it's sure enough for far. Like left to LA, or right to New York. Like stepping on the gas, or taking it real slow. Feels like I'm split down the middle. Don't know which way to go.
What happened, Trev? I thought I had good speed.
You're going into shit territory, bud.
Nasty.
Life on the road, all settling down, reaping what I sow, always moving round. Forgive a rambling man, doing what he can to be yours. Whoa, feels like I'm split down the middle, don't know which way to go. Feels like I'm split down the middle, can't tell which way to go. No, no, no.
Thanks for joining us at Stave Lake today. We had all sorts of fun getting stuck and ripping around here. So anyways, lots more to come. If you haven't subscribed, thinking about subscribing, guys, and join in the madness. We'll talk to you guys later. Peace.